Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic multiplication of algebraic expressions. So chapter grade 8, chapter 9 is algebraic expressions and identities. These concepts are useful in grade 8, chapter 12 factorization, grade 9, chapter 2 polynomials, grade 9, chapter 13 surface area and volume, grade 10, chapter 2 polynomials, grade 10, chapter 13 surface area and volume, and also in higher education. So this topic is very important. So let us do answer discussion for concept test number 1. Here we are going to use the concept of integers. If the number of negative signs are odd, answer will be positive. Total number of negative sign is even, the answer will be positive. First we write sign, then number and the variable, and to write down the variable we use exponent concept. If the base are same, multiplication is there at the powers. So let us start. Minus 2a multiplied by 3b multiplied by 2ab. So the total number of negative sign is minus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now a 1 and 1 2 times, power of b 1 and 1 2 times. Now minus 2pq multiplied by minus 2qr multiplied by 3q. So total number of negative signs are 3. So the answer will be negative. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and p raised to the power 1. So only 1, no need to write down 1. Q raised to the power 1, 2 and then 3, and one more variable r is there. R is also only one time, so a single r will be there. Now next sum, again total number of negative signs are 3, so the sign will be negative. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, so the coefficient is minus 12. X raised to the power 3 plus 2 5. Y raised to the power 2, no power is there, it means 1, so 2 plus 1 will be 3. Now when this is rational numbers, we can cut the numbers. So now the numbers are divisible. 6 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So the number will be 1 upon 8. Total number of negative signs are 2, so the answer will be positive. A raised to the power 4 plus 4 will give you 8, and b raised to the power 3 plus 5 will give you 8. Now multiplication of decimal, 12 3s are 36, and decimal is after one digit, so we will put decimal after one digit. M raised to the power 4 plus 3 will give you 7. N raised to the power 2 plus 5 will give you 7. Now multiplication of monomial with monomial, this already we have done in the last session, but this is very important. This is basic concept. So once again I am solving here 4 sums. So I will write down direct answer. Total number of negative signs are 3. It means the answer will be negative. 2 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, and a raised to the power 3. Now here if no sign is there, bracket is there, it means there is a multiplication. So total number of negative signs are 2. Answer will be positive. 4 2s are 8. X raised to the power 2 plus 1 will give you 3, and y raised to the power 2. Total number of negative signs are 3, so answer will be positive. Sorry, total number of negative signs are 2, so the answer will be positive. 2 5 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. M raised to the power 1 2. N raised to the power 1 and 1 2. And P is also one variable, so P raised to the power 1 plus 1 2. Now we will do multiplication of monomial with binomial. So whenever one number is there and inside two brackets are there, sorry, in bracket two numbers are there, we use distributive property. So apart from these three, we will use here distributive property also. How to use this distributive property? We will multiply these two and then we will multiply these two. Okay, so 5 into 4a will give you 5 4s are 20a. Whatever sign is there, we write down this sign. 5 3s are 15. Can we add this term? We cannot add this term because these two are not like terms and we can add and subtract only like terms. Again bracket is there, so again we will use distributive property. We will multiply these two and we will multiply these two. So this is equal to, when minus sign is there outside the bracket, inside the bracket we change all the signs. So this 5 will become minus 5x square. Now this minus will become plus. So 3x square into x square, base is same, so we will add the power. So this will become 3x raised to the power 4. Okay. So here also this minus 2pq we will multiply with this. So this will give you minus 4p cube q. Since minus sign is there, so this sign will get changed, and 3 2s are 6 p q q. Again minus number is there outside the bracket, so inside the bracket we will change the sign. So 5 4s are 20 plus 4 2s are 8m. These are unlike terms, so we cannot add or we cannot subtract. Now multiplication of monomial with trinomial. So what we are supposed to do here, we will just multiply this with the same concept. We will multiply these two numbers, then we will multiply with this, and then at last we will multiply by 3. Okay, so if you have any confusion, you can write down all the terms and add. If you can do directly, you can do it directly. First I am going to write down so that it will be easier to understand. So in one bracket minus 2ab we will multiply by 4a. Then whatever sign is there, we will write down this. Again minus 2ab we will multiply by 2b. Then plus sign is there, so again minus 2ab multiplied by 3. So we have written all the terms. Now we will multiply. So this will become minus 8a square b. Since two negative signs are there, this will become positive. 2 2s are 4ab square, and the last only one negative sign is there, so minus 3 2s are 6ab. Few students think that this one is easier, so you can do this. Few students they write direct answer, so that is also correct. So first we will multiply these two. So minus sign is there, it means inside the bracket all the signs we will change. So this plus 5 will become minus 5 4s are 20y cube. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. Now we will multiply this with plus 4. Since minus sign is there, so we will change the sign. 4 4 the 16y square. And now same thing we will multiply with the third one. So again minus will become plus because minus sign is there outside the bracket. 4 3s are 12 y. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. So this way, this is your choice. You can do like this, you can do like this. Now again we will multiply. This number is this side, so we will multiply here with this number. So just multiply this. Again minus sign is there, so all the sign we will change. So minus 3 2s are 6. P raised to the power 2 plus 2 will give you 4. Now this plus will become minus, so multiply these two numbers now. So 5 3s are 15, p 2 and nothing is there, it means 1, so this will give you 3. and at last we will multiply this. So this minus will become plus. So 6 3s are 18 p square. Again we will multiply these two. Minus sign is there outside the bracket, so all the sign inside the bracket we will change it. So the first, this one will become minus 3, 3 2s are 6, x raised to the power 2 plus 1 will give you 3, y raised to the power 2 plus 2 will give you 4. This minus will become plus, so 5 2s are 10, x raised to the power 1 plus 1 will give you 2, y raised to the power 1 plus 2 will give you 3 plus, and now we will say multiply by the last one. So this minus will become, this plus will become minus, just a minute, this should be minus. So now this is minus 7 2s are 14 x y. This is the answer. Now find the product. So again here rational numbers are there. So we will write down these rational numbers together. Minus 17 upon 8 multiplied by minus 16 upon 51. Then write down all the coefficients of x and then write down all the coefficients of y. So 8 2s are 16, 17 1s are 17, 17 3s are 51. So this will become 2 upon 3. Total number of negative signs are 2. So the answer will be positive. X raised to the power 3 plus 2 will give you 5. Y raised to the power 2 plus 3 will give you 6. Now here also we will write down all the numbers together. So minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 by 6. Write down all the base power x, x square, again x square. Then write down with y. So y into y square into y raised to the power 7. Here we can cut 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Similarly 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So total number of negative signs are 3. So the answer will be negative. There will be no number. So x raised to the power 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. If the base are same, multiplication is there, add the powers. Y, again no power is there, it means 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7 will give you 10. Now same type of question may be asked little bit in different ways. So simplify and then find the value. So after simplifying, just substitute m is equal to 2 and n is equal to minus 1. So again these fractions are there, so we can cut the numbers here. So 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So this will become, two negative signs are there, so answer will be positive. 3 2s are 6. M raised to the power 2 and n raised to the power 15 plus 6 will give you 21. Okay, so just substitute the value. 6 m की वैल्यू दी हुई है यहाँ पर 2. So substitute here 2 and value of n is minus 1. So now 6 2 square is 4, minus 1 raised to the power 21. 21 is an odd number, so your answer will be negative. So we can write down here minus 1. Now multiply this. 6 4s are 24 and only one negative sign is there, so answer will be minus 24. My dear friends, still if you have not subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe button. So this is concept test 2. This is your time. Read the questions and solve it. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video and also to watch my next video.